Hey guys! I'm going to show you how to make these adorable unicorn bath salts. Use any type of salts that you have. Be very careful when coloring. I suggest starting with 1 drop at a time. It's so easy to overcolor them. Rub the salts together with your hands to get the color mixed in evenly. I added just a tiny bit of mica to the salts. You can see that it's less than 1/8 or 1/16 of a teaspoon each. If you scent the salts, I highly recommend using Natrasorb. It's a hydrophilic starch-based additive that has little pockets that carry the oil, keeping the salts dry and clump-free. More on this in the description. Weigh the Natrasorb on a scale and then add half the weight in fragrance oil. Once mixed, it'll feel dry to the touch and form clumps that can be crumbled easily. Use decorative elements in moderation. It's very easy to get carried away. No one knows this better than me, but keep in mind, the less, the better. It looks cute, but you don't want to bathe in water that has globs of glitter, sprinkles, etc. floating in it. I added the glitter and mica to the rock salts. I chose a spiral pattern for the salts to resemble a unicorn's horn. To achieve this look, simply slant your jar when pouring in the salts. Remember, the bigger the slant, the more exaggerated the spiral pattern will be. I added my decorative elements to the big rock salts, so whenever you see big chunks of salts going in, that's me adding decoration. As you can see, this pattern has fairly thin layers with even thinner white breaks between each color. There are so many patterns and styles that you can do here. The options are endless. I've also noticed that the smallest change, whether it's thicker layers, a different color break in the layers, or a slightly different tilt or angle of the jar when pouring the salts in, this all has a huge impact on the appearance of the finished project. Don't forget to pack your salts and add salts until the jar is completely full. This will keep the pattern in place even if you turn the jar upside down. Look how different the rock salts look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you found it helpful or inspirational, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative bath videos, ideas, and inspiration.